Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Krista, aka Beheminista, and today's video is a super curly lock tutorial using pipe cleaners. All you need is hair paint wax, water, elastic bands, and pipe cleaners. I literally put water on my hair. I did not wash it, so my hair's damp at this moment in time, but I also sectioned it into 4 sections, and I put elastic bands at the tips because I also wanted to add the hair paint wax color, which is a temporary color in red, to the ends of my hair to give it a little bit more oomph. If you haven't watched my tutorials yet, I'll link one here so you can check it out about hair paint wax and a full review on how long it lasts and how much it costs, etc., etc. So applied the hair paint wax, like everything's messy at this point in time. My hands are super red. Remember, you have to apply it to damp hair. So my hair is damp right now. Look at all that red on my hands. You can use gloves if you want to. I just chose not to because I really don't have any nails or anything. But this is the hair paint wax. I'll put the price and whatnot. And it's pretty easy to apply. Now I'm going to get into using the pipe cleaners to apply to my hair. So I decided to do the one lock, one pipe cleaner method because I wanted really defined curls. And usually I double up my locks or I'll triple them on a pipe cleaner. And sometimes I don't get the curl I want depending on how long I let it dry. So I wanted to try this method because I really wanted really cute defined curls, especially with the color. So I'm doing literally one lock per pipe cleaner, and I actually have a tutorial on how to actually make those little lock apparatus curlers with the pipe cleaners. I'll link that here if you want to check it out. It's a really old video. Maybe I should make a new one. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. But all you do is you literally curl the one lock on the pipe cleaner all the way to your root, and you kind of lock it in place. And that's kind of the curling method, if you may. So yeah, it took me like maybe two and a half, 3 hours. I was binging Netflix, so it was what it was. So maybe 45 minutes, an hour later, this is me still putting the pipe cleaners in. I have 159 locks, just FYI. So when you buy your pipe cleaners, make sure you buy like maybe I don't know how much locks you might have, but if your locks look like mine, make sure you buy enough to definitely do your whole head. I'm planning on keeping these in for like the next 2 days. We're home and we're quarantined, so it's just so much easier to do this now instead of having to go to work with a head full of pipe cleaners. And here I was finished. It literally took me 2.5 to 3 hours, y'all, to finish this, but it wasn't too bad because I was watching the 100. Any Netflix suggestions, please put them in the comments below. I already washed my hands, but that red stays. Like, oh my god, like if you don't want it to stay on your hands, definitely use gloves. And yeah, now I'm just gonna let it air dry because I don't feel like sitting under a dryer, and I don't feel like putting my new dryer on either. So about 2 days have passed with the pipe cleaners in my hair, and I'm about to take them down, which is literally the best part. I did not put oil on my hands like I should have with these pipe cleaners. I just literally forgot, anyway. But I just literally, I start from the root and I twist down instead of unlocking at the bottom and pulling through because I don't want to mess up the curl because I really wanted them to be super curly. And look at that. That curl is defined, y'all. Like, oof, I love it. So I just kept this up for, I think the next hour because it took a while to kind of take all of them out. And let's just wait for the final product. So these actually came out pretty perfect, if I do say myself. Do say so myself. Anyway, y'all, they're like fluffy, bouncy. I did like literally all I used on my hair was water and hair paint wax. I didn't use anything else. I didn't use any holding, no gel. I didn't retwist because I didn't need a retwist at this point. Oh Lord, I missed one. Look at that. I just kept this video up here because it's something so satisfying about the takedown and watching the curl unfold, y'all. Just FYI, when you use the hair paint wax with this, there will be residue on the pipe cleaner, just FYI. But look at that curl, look at that curl. Go curl, go girl. Focus, focus, focus. And here she is, here she go. Bounce girl, bounce girl, bounce. So I was actually watching versus Bounty Killer versus Beanie Man while I was doing this and kind of wine drunk, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. But I love my hair. Oh my gosh. And like, did anybody else watch the clash? Like, I wish I could get a do-over. Like, what the heck? Like, hopefully I don't get a copyright claim for playing this music in the background. But yeah, y'all, I really love my curls. Now that I did the one lock method. Now, if you want these to last a really long time, I suggest sitting under the dryer because my locks at this moment in time, while I'm recording this audio note, they have fallen. I'm going to show you my day one here, the next day when I decided to get all pretty and put on makeup and stuff like that. But they definitely are falling. They're getting a little bit looser, as you can probably see right now in this video. So I'll probably post an update on my Instagram stories or maybe on Instagram. But yeah, if you want them to be tighter and last longer, I suggest definitely keep them in maybe a day longer to dry or sit under the dryer for a few hours if that's what you want to do, if you want them to really last a long time. But I'm pretty happy with the product. Like, it's cute. It's cute. Definitely subscribe to the YouTube channel, y'all, if you like these kind of videos. I'm probably gonna post them anyway, but yeah, subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think of this super curly lock tutorial using pipe cleaners. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are being safe. Love you. Bye.